Hello students, in this lecture we're going to talk about anacron. Anacron as opposed to cron is different in the sense that once a job is scheduled through anacron, it is going to run. So even if the system is down. So suppose if you have a laptop and you schedule an anacron job and the laptop is powered off right now and the time has passed for that scheduled job. Whenever you turn that laptop back on, even 2 hours, 3 hours later, that backed up or the job that didn't happen on time is going to run now. So it will eventually run. And that's the feature of anacron. So let's take a look at it. The files that are mainly used in anacron is etc anacron tab. So if you look at etc anacron tab, you're going to see these entries in here. These are by default, and you have anacron, cron.daily, cron.weekly, and cron.monthly in there already. The default spool directory is var spool anacron for this facility. ls-l var spool anacron, and they typically store the information on when was this particular job last executed. So if I were to do a cat of var spool anacron cron.daily, it'll have an ID in there or the date that when it was last executed. So 10/20/2018, which is today. Okay, let's see an example of the anacron tab file. So we're going to vi etc anacron tab, and this is our existing file. Shift G to go to the bottom of the file, and O to open up a new line. And here I'm going to type in daily. So this task is going to run daily 15 minutes after the system has been powered on. R sync, I want the system to sync daily, and the default shell I want to run is bin bash, and then the actual command that I want to run, home. Let's see, Steven script. Steven has a script directory, and there's a script in there called backup r sync.sh. That's the name of the script. So every time the system is booted up, it will give the system about 15 minutes, and then it'll run this. And of course that you can change to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you like. And it's saved now. If you want to make sure that there is no syntax error in your anacron file, then anacron -T, it returned nothing. That means I have, in my task, I have no syntax error. So normally anacron forks background jobs, and it'll just not display anything on the screen. But sometimes you need to see the output on the screen itself, and it is possible by using a -D switch. So you can type anacron -D, and it'll give you what job is about to run. Like in my case, in 43 minutes there will be a job that'll run. If you want to force the execution of an anacron job, you can use anacron -D-F. In my case, since I don't have an actual script for Steven that's going to run, so it's not going to do anything, probably going to error out, but this is how you force it to run. See, anacron started this time and it's doing all the other stuff, but the one for Steven is not going to run because, as I said, I don't have a script for him.